Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FYP bin Abdul Wahab and I'm mechatronic engineering student year 3. I will be presenting about my invention, which is the smart roller blind. For the introduction of this roller blind is being known as a single piece of fabric which wraps around a casing and fits into the top of the windows frame. It's very easy to operate this roller blind. The only thing to do is when we want to open it, we need to pull the rope in clockwise. Thus, the roller blind will open. Meanwhile, if you want to close the roller blind, what you need to do is you need to pull the rope in anti-clockwise. Moving forward to the objectives of this project, there are two main objectives for this project. The first is to integrate the EXP8266 version 3 via voice command for reducing the energy consumed by the older people. The next objective is to construct mechanical part which act as a gear as it prevents the young children from getting danger. In my invention, there are two problem statements. The first is the older generation facing problems to deal with the roller blind, as old people are having issues to open and close it by themselves. Another problem is the young generation are facing injuries related to this roller blind because the cord entanglement incidents. Now is the methodology part. There are two main parts in my project, which is the hardware and software. I separated it into flowchart A, hardware. It starts as the Node MCU EXP8266 connect to the Wi-Fi. Then the voice command is being given. As the user say open the blind, it follows and it will rotate clockwise. Meanwhile, if the user say close my blind, then the roller blind will rotate in clockwise as it closes the roller blind. Next is the flowchart B, which is the software. First of all, we need to insert the token Wi-Fi SSD and also the Wi-Fi password in the Arduino IDE. And then we need to use the BLYNK app by setting the buttons. To open it, we just press the open blind which been set in the BLYNK apps. Meanwhile, to close it, we just need to set the close button inside this BLYNK app. In my invention, I have added many features so that it becomes smart roller blind, where it works by the order of the voice command, where when the voice command gives open my blind, the roller blind will open. Moreover, another features that I included in my project is the BLYNK apps, where the button is being set to open and close the roller blind. In the result section, there are three tables that have been produced in my invention. The first table is the time taken by the roller blind and also the number of beatings with the roller blind effectiveness. For the table 2, the difference between the voices that being used and also the effectiveness of the roller blind. This last table shows the results when we using the BLYNK apps. As we set the BLYNK apps to open, we use the virtual pin of V1 to open, which means it rotates in clockwise. Meanwhile, to close it, we use the V2 virtual pin and it will rotate in anti-clockwise to close the roller blind. As all inventions that have been made in this world, for sure we will have the advantage for each invention that has been made. Same goes to me. There are many advantages inside my invention. The first is to control by the BLYNK apps, which consists of two buttons to open and close the roller blind. The next advantage is to control via voice command, which makes things more easier. Besides, all the features that has been mentioned are very environmentally friendly and it doesn't give any danger to the user in any age. For this application, this smart roller is very suitable to be applied to the house, to the office and also to the most or surah. For the commercial potential, yes, for sure that my invention will have a good commercial. This is because my invention is a low price invention. It is a friendly home appliances that really being neat in each person's house. It is also long lasting appliances. Lastly, this roller blind is easy to be operated. Thus, from this we can see that my potential of commercializing this invention for sure will be getting more crowds and definitely will be sold out. Now we'll be proceeding to the demonstration of the smart roller blind. Okay, as we can see right now, this is the gear for the smart roller blind. So here we have this EXP8266 version 3. It is connected with the motor driver and also the stepper motor. Here we give the 12 volt power source as we using the 12 volt stepper motor. This is be done by the 3D printing. This is the casing for the stepper motor. This is the holder for the beadings of the roller blind. This is the connection from the motor driver to this power source. As we can see right now, the light is on because the coding is being sent to the EXP8266. Okay, now the complete of the sending. To run this, we need to use the BLYNK apps or the voice command. Now we're using the BLYNK apps. So this is the closed blind situation where the gear is rotated in anti-clockwise. Now we'll be proceeding to the open blinds. Now the rotation is in clockwise. Okay Google, open my blinds.
Sure, opening your blinds.
Hey Google, close my blind.
Okay, your blinds are now being closed.
I think that's all for this video. I hope that my invention has give positive vibes and for sure the best home appliances that can be used each person in this world. That's all from me. Thank you.